Alright, yeah, boys, let's open up this package and see what we got. Alright, so we got you a different angle, and we're gonna see what we got. Everything we got right here is the Allo set. Open up y'all real quick. Allo set for females. I think this is maybe like a medium or something. No, this is small, so we got these for females. And then we also got a pink set too. Put this back here real quick. And then we got the Venom Series right here. We got another one. We got Citrus City, Fair Dye right here. This is probably the other thing that I grabbed. I grabbed like 3 of them. Oh no, this is Supreme. The Supreme hoodie. Great quality all over here, baby. And we got the big hoodies, these are double hooded. And we got pink too. Got some more essentials right here. Then we got some vape socks. I think I grabbed about 8 pairs of these Jones. The other Allo set. Then we got these Dior Jones. Actually, I make an unboxing video for each. We got 3 of them actually. 2 and 3. Put it right here. We not gonna throw those. Then I have already ordered this Godspeed shirt before, but a customer wanted another one. We wanted one of those. So we got another Godspeed shirt right here. Y'all see what I'm seeing? This whole thing right here. But it's all good because we're gonna get a discount on our next order because of that. Then we got this black one. This black one's a beauty right here. I forgot what size I got those in. Then we got some chrome sweats and a chrome hoodie. Actually, this hoodie right here was a pre-order for another customer. And then the last thing that we got, I actually don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a spider hoodie. Yeah, we got black spider hoodie. Yeah, man, that's it for this haul. A couple more socks. This is what we got. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to make an unboxing video. I can do that. I'm going to take a picture of these anyway and then put them up. But thank y'all for watching and get over.